Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to turn off the ads or the personalization. So let's start with the personalized Google advertisements. Let's go to the settings first of all. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Google. Then let's tap on all services, scroll and find ads in the privacy and security. Unfortunately, I do not have this option right now because I've previously deleted it, but I can explain everything. Right here, you will have two different options, which are called Reset Ads Identification or Delete Ads Identification. So I highly recommend to first of all tap on Reset, so it will reset the advertising ID, and then I highly recommend to delete it, which means that thanks to it, even though the apps will show you the ads, they will not show you personalized ads, which is better because we are less likely to tap on the ad which we don't want to check. So this is one of the options which you can try to simply limit the advertisements. Another one is to limit the notifications from the app which directly shows you the ads. So let's pretend I have I don't know, ads from Play Store. So simply tap on the app and hold it, and then tap on Ad Info. Then we have to tap on notifications, and as you can see, here we've got all of the options of notifications which we get from Google Play Store, and all you have to do is to find the notifications which are connected, the category which is connected with the advertisements, and then after finding it, just tap on this switcher next to it, so you will turn it off completely. And the last thing which I'd like to show you is the private DNS. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll to find connection and sharing, and then find private DNS. So right now we've got the automatic option, but I highly recommend to simply mark specified DNS and enter this section here, because it will be blank, and simply enter dns.adguard.com and confirm it with OK. And thanks to it, your device will also limit the ads. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.